But the signing a petition, there was one in general that really, really affects me. It brought me to tears. I was crying on my husband's shoulder. A lady had a baby daughter.
Oh, and she brought the baby.
And she scattered the ashes.
Yeah, she's here. Wow.
And signed the petition. Said, why are you doing this? This is the one peaceful, quiet place I've found. Why are you doing it?
Wow.
And it really upset me.
Send me that comment.
I can find it. She was one of the
one of the first ones out of the 11,000. Wow.
It'll be hard to find it now, but way in the beginning.
It's a true resting place. It's a place of peace.
It is. And she said, you know, my baby's there.
Why would you do this? Amazing. Amazing. See how I have the ankh on? And you see how that circular part is there on the ankh? You see that circular part that's between those branches?
Yes.
That's a womb. That represents the womb. And so it's the same way. You see?
I never
You see that?
I didn't know.
Yeah?
Oh my goodness.
You see it? This tree is giving life to this island. Right. Exactly. You got it. You gotta believe it.
And her forces too.
Lots and lots. So we breathing in thought of her every time we breathe in. That's right. That's right. Folks don't realize, and then when something like that is gone, then people want to go to a museum and look at it on photographs.
There you go.
Talking about, I wish I had a chance to see that tree in real life. You did. You did. Before the destruction came, you did. Where were you? Exactly. Where were you? God, we thank you for this your day. We thank you for this your angel we send from Johnson. We glad to see thee. We glad to see we chilling with thee now, bless you. We pray to these your angel with a late honey branch thing will be the holy day. That they grind out from Johnson. That take all the children with thee. That he hold on this your land. That he stop this your weapon feeling. That everything we have seen years ago. Like under the Mecca. We pray to the destruction that you'll see it so. We know that this is a foundation to put on time. And we pray that this shall go and be the foundation for the future generation. We're so thankful to you for all of the ancestors we bring from all around. We pray that all the different corners of the earth be protected. We pray that you surround we know with these your angels and take like under the day with this your work. We know that you're going to bless it. We'll make them with you and all this your stuff. Will be done come true over the years. But make them stand true. All of these are children living and things like that. And make them be enough and things like that. But we don't stand way down. So we pray to all the children, with a stand in that position, with a stand with 100 children, with a stand against this young thing with a kind for destruction and the kind of time. They're going to hold them up, Lord. They're going to bless this year. And you touch their mind right now that the young children will make the decision. But make them so that you hear all the rest of the place. So you change up your mind. So you hold back this your time. Hold back this your storm. Make them so that no more foundation is cool. All the rest is blessed. All the rest is blessed. Bless the sea how to comprehend the devil. Bless the children with their John's daughter. Bless the family with their. Bless Lorna there for keep up the money. Thank you, Lord, for this your day. And we thank you for all of we ancestors that need your freedom under it. Will be there long time. May hold on to tradition and culture and form into the DNA of a family. For this year, we say, Ashe, Ashe, Ashe. Amen.